Toyota just released pricing for all 7/2026 Tundra trim levels with a $39,540 gap between the cheapest and most expensive version, so let's do an analysis and find out the real value of each one. Number 7. TRD Pro, the $74,660 hybrid off-road gamble. Picture yourself on a challenging trail, needing extra torque to crawl over steep rock ledges, but you're also conscious about fuel costs during long drives to remote camping spots. The TRD Pro costs $74,660, positioning itself as the only factory hybrid off-road truck in the full-size segment. But this unique approach creates both advantages and significant challenges. Toyota addresses the classic off-road dilemma with Fox 2.5-inch internal bypass coilovers and remote reservoir rear shocks, providing genuine off-road performance, while the 437 horsepower hybrid system delivers exceptional low-end torque ideal for technical climbing situations. The 2026 TRD Pro introduces ISO dynamic seats with built-in suspension borrowed from the Tacoma TRD Pro, solving the problem of getting beaten up during aggressive off-road sessions. But here's where reality hits hard. Ford's Raptor series offers superior suspension travel and more aggressive tires at comparable pricing, creating a capability gap that the TRD Pro's hybrid efficiency can't entirely overcome. The TRD Pro works best for serious off-road enthusiasts who value fuel efficiency, but the $74,660 price represents a significant premium for hybrid technology in an off-road package that doesn't quite match domestic alternatives. Number 6. SR5, the $48,605 capability sweet spot. The biggest mistake most truck buyers make is either overpaying for luxury features they'll never use or underspending and regretting the lack of capability when they need it. The SR5 costs $48,605, representing what experts consider the lineup's absolute best value proposition by hitting the sweet spot between capability and price. When you regularly tow boats to the lake, haul travel trailers across the country, or need serious capability for work without luxury pricing, the capability jump from the base SR becomes crucial. That's why the $5,250 premium over the SR unlocks the engine's full 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, dramatically increasing towing capacity from 8,300 to 12,000 pounds. The difference between handling a small utility trailer and confidently towing a full-size boat or travel trailer. What makes the SR5's value proposition compelling is how Toyota addresses daily comfort without luxury pricing. The 18-inch alloy wheels, LED fog lights, and power-adjustable heated seats transform cold morning commutes and long-distance drives, while the integrated trailer brake controller eliminates the expense and hassle of aftermarket installation. The SR5's 12,000-pound towing capacity matches or exceeds most competitors' mid-level trims while undercutting their pricing, therefore delivering the most capability per dollar in the entire Tundra lineup. For serious recreational towers, small contractors, and skilled tradespeople who need professional appearance with substantial capability, the significant power and towing increases over the SR justify the premium, while comfort features enhance daily usability without luxury pricing. But while the SR5 represents outstanding value, wait until you see how Toyota tries to balance luxury and efficiency. Number 5. Limited, the $56,955 premium balance. When you're shopping in this price range, you expect your truck's interior to feel genuinely luxurious every time you climb behind the wheel. The most significant 2026 change, standard leather seating replacing previous leather-trimmed surfaces, dramatically improves the cabin's premium feel at a price point where competitors often still offer cloth surfaces. What sets the Limited apart is being the only mid-level option offering Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque while achieving 22 combined miles per gallon. This solves the age-old truck owner dilemma, wanting substantial power for towing, but not wanting to cringe every time you fill up. The challenge comes when you compare the Limited's $8,350 premium over the SR5 against what domestic competitors offer. Ford's F-150 Lariat and Ram's Bighorn Lone Star provide comparable luxury amenities while maintaining superior towing ratings, therefore making the Limited's value proposition dependent on your priorities. And while the Limited struggles with competitive pricing, wait until you see how Toyota's full luxury approach stacks up. Number 4. Platinum, the $65,790 executive transport. When you're using your truck as a mobile office or entertaining clients, the cabin environment becomes crucial to your professional image. That's why Toyota equipped the Platinum with genuine leather upholstery throughout the cabin, creating an environment that rivals luxury sedans, plus heated and ventilated rear seats that ensure passengers arrive comfortable regardless of the weather. The 360-degree camera system with trailer backup guide technology solves one of the most stressful aspects of luxury truck ownership, confidently maneuvering expensive trailers in tight spaces without anxiety about potential damage. But Ram's 1500 Limited offers superior interior design at comparable pricing, while Ford's alternatives provide 14,000+ pound towing capacity that the Platinum's 12,000 pound limit can't match. So the Platinum faces tough luxury competition, but if you think executive transport pricing is steep, wait until you see how Toyota approaches working professional needs. Number 3. SR, the $43,355 Working Professionals Foundation. When you're running a small business, truck downtime costs real money in lost productivity and customer frustration. That's why the SR's 358 horsepower from its 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 matters. You're getting more standard power than Ford F-150's base engine, while gaining Toyota's legendary reliability, which means fewer unexpected repair bills. Toyota included genuinely useful features like an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and a complete LED lighting package. The new for 2026 editions of a 32.2-gallon fuel tank and standard tow hitch solve practical problems. Fewer fuel stops during long work days and the ability to haul equipment trailers without expensive modifications. The competitive weakness becomes apparent in payload capacity, where the 1,940 pound rating trails the F-150's 3,250 pounds significantly, therefore making the SR less suitable for contractors who regularly haul heavy materials. But for small business owners and recreational users who want Toyota reliability without luxury pricing, the SR justifies its $3,310 premium over the base Ford F-150 through superior standard equipment. And while the SR provides solid entry-level value, wait until you see what happens when Toyota adds Western luxury heritage. Number 2. 1794 Edition, the $66,475 Western Luxury Statement. When you want your truck to make a statement about who you are, whether you're a successful rancher or oil industry executive, generic luxury doesn't cut it. That's why the saddle tan leather interior with American walnut wood grain trim creates an unmistakably upscale cabin environment that feels both sophisticated and appropriately rugged, telling a story that mass-market luxury trucks simply can't match. The emotional connection deepens with details like the laser-etched 1794 Edition instrument panel badge and distinctive tailgate stamping, providing exclusivity that justifies the premium positioning. Toyota delivers the same mechanical foundation as the Platinum, but with a unique aesthetic execution through 20-inch machine finish alloy wheels and a chrome finish grille. The modest $1,685 premium over the Platinum delivers a distinctive appearance and exclusive interior materials that create emotional value, particularly appealing to buyers in Texas, Oklahoma, and other western states where the ranch aesthetic aligns with cultural values. So the 1794 Edition delivers unique luxury positioning. But if you think Western heritage is impressive, wait until you see the most expensive trim's disappointing reality. Number 1. Capstone, the $82,895 luxury mistake. Nothing stings worse than spending luxury car money on a truck only to discover it can't outperform vehicles costing $20,000 less. The Capstone costs $82,895, making it Toyota's flagship attempt at ultra-luxury truck territory, but this trim faces serious problems that will make buyers think twice. When you're paying nearly 6 figures for a truck, you expect it to handle anything you throw at it, whether that's your 35-foot travel trailer or heavy equipment haul. But here's the painful reality. Toyota equipped this truck with semi-aniline leather seating and massaging front seats, creating an environment comparable to premium SUVs. But this truck is still limited to just 12,000 pounds of towing capacity. That means you're paying luxury sedan money for capability that mid-level domestic trucks deliver for $30,000 less. The 2026 model introduces shale premium textured leather instead of the previous white option, addressing durability concerns, but the fundamental capability limitations remain unchanged. The $16,105 premium over the 1794 Edition delivers questionable additional value when Ram's 1500 Limited provides comparable luxury for roughly $75,000. Ford's F-150 Limited offers 14,000-pound towing with luxury appointments that match the Capstone's offerings. The Capstone represents probably the weakest value proposition in the entire Tundra lineup, appealing only to buyers who prioritize environmental consciousness over maximum capability and don't mind paying a massive premium for limited limited additional features. All in all, when you look at Toyota's entire 2026 Tundra lineup, the story becomes crystal clear. The SR5 at $48,605 hits the sweet spot by delivering that crucial 12,000-pound towing capacity and full engine power without forcing you to pay luxury prices for features you'll rarely use. If you want something more distinctive, the 1794 edition offers genuine Western luxury that no competitor matches, while budget-conscious professionals will find solid value in the SR's Toyota reliability. However, we believe you should avoid the Capstone because spending $82,895 for a limited towing capability makes zero sense when domestic alternatives deliver superior performance for thousands less. The bottom line is simple. If you're buying a 2026 Tundra, the SR5 gives you everything you actually need for serious truck work without wasting money on premium features that won't improve your day-to-day ownership experience. Clearly, Tundra offers quite a broad range of options, but it's still far from being the most versatile truck around. If you think 7 trim levels and 3 powertrain options are enough, check out our review of the 2026 Ford F-150 you can now see on the screen. The world's best-selling truck still offers the most impressive range of models with numerous powertrain options, various cab and bed configurations, let alone its super long list of trim levels and packages.